Want to go big, healthy plan without spending big money? Bagged soy can get expensive, but with a few simple ingredients, you can make your own for a fraction of the cost. Today, we're going to show you how to create a perfect soy mix for raised beds, pots, and seed starters, plus a few simple tips to test your soil texture and add fertilizer when planting. For raised beds, you need nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Here is the big growth formula. 4 parts topsoil. This is the bulk of your mix. Get it from a landscape supplier for a great savings. 2 parts compost. Adds organic matter and nutrients. 1 part sand. Help with drainage, especially for heavy clay soils. 1 part coconut coir or peat moss. Hold moisture and keep the soil light. 1 part perlite optional to keep the soil well aerated for healthy root growth. Mix everything thoroughly to make sure the ingredients are well distributed. For a potting mix, you will need lightweight, moisture retaining, and nutrient-rich soil. Here what you will need: 2 parts compost, 2 parts coconut coir or peat moss, 1 part perlite. This prevents compaction and keep the soil light. If you are in a hot, dry climate, you can also add vermiculite for the extra moisture retention. For seed starting mix, you need something that light and easy. For seedlings to put through, here's the recipe. 2 part coconut coir or peat moss, 1 part vermiculite distributed moisture evenly, 1 part perlite. Ensure the good root develop by preventing soil compaction. Make sure to moist the mix before planting the seed for the best start. When planting, mix in a handful of slow-release organic fertilizer directly into planting hole. This provides a gentle boost of nutrients without burning the roots. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Your soil mix already have plenty of nutrients to help plants get started. Before planting, it's important to check your soil texture. Here a simple test you can do at home. Take a handful of your soil and squeeze it in your palm. If it's crumbled right away, your soil is too sandy. Add more compost or corn. It is form a tight, sticky ball. Use soil or too much clay. Add a sand or perlite for better drainage. If it's hold together but break apart easily, when the tapping is perfect. It means that your soil had the right balance and moisture and air. Here are a few tips to help you save even more money and when making your own soil. Buy topsoil and compost in the bulk to get the best price. Make your own compost by recycling kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and leaves. Use cover crops like clover or legumes with off-season to add nutrient naturally. DIY soil mix is the way to go for the bigger plants and bigger savings. It's simple, affordable, and will help you grow a garden that thrives. Jesus told us in Matthew 13:23, "But the seed falling on good soil refers to someone who hears the word and understands it." Just as we need good soil for a thriving garden, we need a strong spiritual foundation for our fruitful life. Thanks for watching.